Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best Beanstalk ROM features. So a developer from XDA developers has ported it to the LG4X HD here. This developer is called Ectoplasma 22. So here it is. I'm running this Beanstalk version. So let's start. I will cover almost all features of this ROM. So let's start. The first thing that you could customize is the status bar, and the first thing you could change the battery icon, dotted circle or a circle or icon with percentage, and you could make this battery bar. You could just change its color. You could make it from the left side, change the color, make an animation, change the thickness. So I won't use it. So the next thing is the clock and date. You could customize the clock and date. And then this is a normal features. So then the status bar color. So I think it restarted the system UI. I don't know why, but it restarted. You could change the status bar color. Here you could modify this network speed. So color, here's the network speed, and then you could change the signal. It could be text dBm or a bar, and you could change its color, and you could hide it, as you see, but I won't do this. Then you could adjust the brightness by swiping, just swiping will adjust the brightness, swiping in the status bar. So you could double tap to sleep, as you see. And this is a pre-sync notification. I don't know how it works, but I selected to try it. Then you have the notification and quick settings panel. Hide notification panel, show all labels, hide Wi-Fi label, show all labels in notification panel. What is show all labels? So here you could customize the notification transparency. I think it should restart the system UI. And then here you could add the shortcuts. So let's add let's add an application, Google Chrome. here is the Google Chrome. So you could put applications here in this shortcuts. So set the background notification panel header to an image page. Current okay time. You could see this. This you have here a color. Now you could add power widgets here. You could change and customize them. Next thing is enable notification reminder. Then you have the tiles and the layout in this quick settings panel. You could add or remove and quick pull down from the left to open this, from the right to open the notifications. Smart pull down is a feature which allows you when there is no notifications like this, it will open a quick settings panel. Quick collapse, close the notification upon toggle. When you click on toggle, it closes. When you click it, it closes it, but I don't use this feature. Style, you could change the style, the color and other. Background, oh shit, the background of the notification panel, as you see, it is transparent. You could change the background. You could put an image here in the background. So that's for the notification and quick settings drawer. Then alerts and warning, low battery notification and pop and sound and no, low battery warning. You could change what happens when the battery is low. 14%. Less frequent notification sounds. I don't know what it does. Screen on notification light. Display and animation. Active display. I don't know what is active. So here the gesture navigation. You could add gestures. When you click on that, it will open the notification. You could add the various zones. Screen recorder, change the settings for the recording. The animation when you close the screen. You could change it to vertical collapse or orientation dependent or scale down. Custom system animation. A lot of animation here you could play with. So then you have list view animation. As you see, there is an animation. List view animation scale. I will make it default. So toast animation. Custom progress bar. This progress bar will appear when you are doing something like downloading an app from the Play Store or something like that. So you could change some settings, speed, and some other settings. And here you got the exposed framework, which is pre-installed in this ROM. Then we got the power menu. You could change the power menu items, this menu, and then you could make gestures anyway. When you click on that, you could draw any gesture to get to the app, and any app. Swiping. So navigation bar, navigation bar. These three buttons. You could customize it whatever you want. The pie controls. Pie controls. Trigger options. This is the pie controls. So I don't use this. Build prop mods. You could play with the build properties. Change your build name, something like this. And then you have the init .d support scripts. There's a lot of scripts you could do. You could perform. Then general settings. Suspend. This suspend action, when you turn off the display, you could disable the GPS, disable mobile data switch to 2G. Wake up blocker, you could block apps from waking up. I don't know how. Scrolling modifier, scrolling animation, you could change this scrolling. System app remover, you could remove system apps, but don't remove any app. Use alternate default app picker. Disable full screen keyboard on the landscape. Show enter key and the keyboard. This force any application to show the enter key in the keyboard. And this is the miscellaneous options. And this is a cool feature. You could make this identical style to a profile context picture. You could create identicals to create all the contacts randomly shape, and then you could remove it from here. Then recent view settings. Clear all button that I have here. In terms some options. Here you got the recent RAM bar, which I have got here. Media scanner behavior on boot. Vibrate on expand. When you expand, I don't know what is this. disable force close notification, LCD dynasty, custom carrier label, and then you get the hello. As you know, if any notification you got, you will see it here, and you could open it in a pop-up window. You could hide in silence until walking. You could delete all notifications by swiping. There is a lot of options to this hello. When you enable this hello, you could not multi-window any application. So here you get the dark stack. It restarts the system UI. So this will change many application to a dark color, like this dialer and other apps, which is cool. So that is the all options in the Beanstalk ROM. It's a great ROM with many features and and its performance is very good. So I use it as my default ROM. So that's all. I subscribe for more tech tutorials and reviews, and see you next time with a new quick tutorial.